Man, these people really thought I was gonna quit and give up. Been hit with more BS in the last, or hell, we all been hit with that BS in the last year. I ain't stopping. Ain't nobody coming through getting all this stuff, but it's all good. I'm gonna keep going. I'm starting to get full in here. G-body seat, the interesting design. It's got maroon stitching. Some 1961 Cadillac seats. I did the door panels for these last year. I've had the seats since October. I've never had a more problemsome time getting a set of seat done in my whole life of doing this 25 years. But like I just mentioned, I'm not giving up. So anybody coming at me wrong, might as well give up your damn self. There's the bottom for the front. The back part for the front. It's got all these trim pieces, handles that go on the back of the front seat. Makes sense out of it. Still got to do the armrest. That's what this thing looked like at first. 61 model. Those holes are from mice. That thing wasn't just a mouse nest in it. It was a mouse hotel in this thing. So that was a lot of work, a lot of pieces. And even though it's a basic design on it, it was still hell. Suburban. I'm not even going to speak everybody's personal business. I could sit here and gripe and complain and throw out what would sound like excuses, but I just sewed that together the rest of the way. It's been sitting for almost a year in the vehicle, waiting, but figured why not sew it together too. I'm just waiting on a nice day when I can get to work and have some decent sunshine out, as the earth is freezing over outside, or at least our area. It's all good. I'm patiently waiting, doing everything I can on the inside. That's a deep one. What else? Impala. After all this cleared out this week, I'm working on nothing but 2 Impalas, and I'll get videos up for those very soon. I know a lot of you guys have been contacting me. I've been getting my hopes up, trying to teach people and get a nice little crew together to maybe do a shop again. I'm kind of giving up on that dream because everybody fizzles out. Once again, I'm not quitting. I'm not giving up. You'll find me here finishing what I start till my last breath. A bunch of parts to go through for these Impalas. So, on to it. On to the next one. Everybody's been waiting on me. Hang in there, I guess. Keep in touch with me. Let me know your vision. Try to relate to me if you have patience or not. That way I know if I can deal with you or not in the first place. And without mentioning personal life, I've been getting 2 days a week to work. So another reason y'all don't see a lot of my work getting pumped out like it used to. But that'll change too. This too shall pass. Y'all can kiss my... I'm just kidding. Much love still. Through all the hate and debate and separation, you'll find me sitting here doing what I do with no hesitation. Peace. To the next one.